Hi, I'm Andrew Pentney from HydroG Resources Group. We're here today to show you how to install the whip marker that we manufacture. The marker can fit on many different sizes of wells. Today we're going to look at a 4-inch square casing and a 6-inch round casing, but the markers will fit on practically any size well, right down from a 3/4 inch dry point piezometer to many sizes of larger wells. So the whip marker is designed to make the well visible in many different types of conditions, including we're here in the spring, so all the vegetation is low, but this is all going to grow up and the well will be difficult to see. We also get snow cover here in southern Ontario, and at times this well could be completely covered. I'd like to talk about where we actually put the marker on the well. The whip can actually fit on the side of the well like this, or at the back of the well like this. It actually has enough flexibility to flex out of the way when you open the casing for sampling or other monitoring activities. So when you order the whip marker, what you get is the marker itself with a mounting bracket at the bottom, as well as a mounting bracket or a bracket that mounts onto the well itself. The whip is made of all high quality components, heavy stainless steel bottom bracket, a polycarbonate body, highly visible tape at the top. It's about 4 foot long, and it comes with a stainless steel mounting bracket that actually mounts onto the well. You will also need a system to attach the mounting bracket to the well. Options include a simple hose clamp or other banding systems that would go along with, for example, the MOE well tag system that actually wrap around the casing and affix it to the casing. So when you're preparing to go out in the field and install a series of whips, what we find is useful is to actually prepare the mounting bracket before you head out, so that it's in one piece and you can simply lower it onto the well and tighten it into place. The mounting bracket at the bottom is attached to the body of the marker with a 1/2 inch bolt. All you do is tighten that on and you're ready to go. So here I am, ready to go out in the field and install several whips. They're very lightweight, as I mentioned earlier, only about 20 ounces each. Compare that to a 7-pound pounder and several T-bars. It allows you to get out and install things much easier and in a variety of conditions. It's also a single tool installation. What we use is a simple nut driver with several bits, 1/2 inch for the bolt and one 9/16 for the hose clamp. So once I have the whip prepared for installation, I can simply slip it over the top of the well, lower it to the position I'd like, and it's adjustable. You can install it anywhere you'd like on the well, and then begin to tighten it up. I'm just about to finish tightening the clamp in place. I have the end of the clamp tucked inside the bracket. And it's in place. It's held firmly in place by the bracket. It has the flexibility to move out of the way when you open the well. So the marker sticks up fairly high. Just for relative scale, I'm about 5'10", and the marker is sticking up higher than I am. You can unlock the well, open it up. The marker flexes out of the way. You can access the well to complete whatever measurements you need. And when you're done, it all flexes back into place and maintains the visibility. So we can also use a standard banding kit that's used with the Ministry of the Environment well tag. You would put the banding kit around, affix the clip, and then we'll need to tighten it in place. So next we thread the band through the mounting tool and begin to tighten. So the next step is to remove the bolt from the bottom bracket. Place your marker in place and tighten it on. So the whip will also fit on a round well casing. I have a 6-inch well here we're going to mount it on today. You can either use the hose clamp system or the banding system we used before. All you need to do is lower it in place and attach the hose clamp. And it's in place. So the whip can also be installed on a 3/4 inch pipe commonly used for a drive point, 3/4 inch or really any size up to 1.5 inches or so. We've developed a special bracket for that. The bracket actually fits onto the pipe like this, supported by these 2 square pieces, and the bracket is fixed on again with a clamp and the whip bolted in place. So just to wrap things up, we've shown you how to install a whip on a 4-inch square casing, a 6-inch round casing, and we've discussed how to install it onto a smaller diameter dry point piezometer. Again, the whips are useful.